All right, this is the aftermath of the blizzard that we just had. 3 days. Couldn't really do anything, couldn't go anywhere, didn't do anything. Right now there is a halo around the sun. Can't really see it on the top side, but there's the sun there, and there's the other halo, the other side of it. What you probably can't see is that there are little particles of ice that are coming down. What it is it's high humidity that's in the air that actually is freezing. Probably isn't showing up on here. But it's like there's little clear, completely clear sky, and there's snow falling. Different world altogether here. It's maybe about just above 0 degrees right now, or maybe just slightly below. I haven't had a chance to check the temperature. That's the snow that has been pushed from this storm and from the last storm. They kind of did a little bit of cleanup, not a huge amount. But there was also another storm a couple of weeks ago that they did some cleaning up as well. Once again, there's the halo, there's the sun, there's the other side of the halo. This isn't the best spot to do it from. There's a little better shot of the other side of the halo, and the other one being over there. That's what it's like in southwest North Dakota.